Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is SSS GK, Set 2. Question number 1. A person with which blood group will be a universal donor? Option A. A. Option B. B. Option C. O. Option D. AB. The correct answer is option C. O. Question number 2. Why the countries are scared to import fruits? Option A. Because they become rotten easily and spread diseases. Option B. Because they are not easily adjustable to new climate. Option C. Because insects carried through fruits are dangerous. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option C. Because insects carried through fruits are dangerous. Question number 3. Which organ is associated with the production of insulin in the human body? Option A. Pancreas. Option B. Liver. Option C. Kidney. Option D. Heart. The correct answer is option A. Pancreas. Question number 4. Which of the following is commonly resent in the acids? Option A. Oxygen. Option B. Hydrogen. Option C. Nitrogen. Option D. Sulfur. The correct answer is option B. Hydrogen. Question number 5. How the body temperature is maintained? Option A. Due to regular intake of foods. Option B. Due to excessive intake of water. Option C. Due to regular intake of foods. Option D. Due to temperature regulating mechanism located in the base of the brain. The correct answer is option A. Due to regular intake of foods. Question number 6. At which of the following stages the sex of the offspring is determined? Option A. The conception takes place. Option B. The sperm fertilizes the ovum. Option C. The embryo is partially developed. Option D. The end of gestation period is near. The correct answer is option A. The conception takes place. Question number 7. Which of the following causes dysentery and influenza? Option A. Bacteria. Option B. Viruses. Option C. Bacteria and viruses respectively. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option C. Bacteria and viruses respectively. Question number 8. Why camphor disappears when kept on a plate? Option A. It reacts with the metal of the container. Option B. It sublimes. Option C. It reacts with the gases of the air. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option C. It reacts with the gases of the air. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is true? Option A. Both salinity and density of sea decrease with depth. Option B. Salinity increases but density of sea decreases with depth. Option C. Salinity decreases but density of sea increases with depth. Option D. Both salinity and density of sea decrease with depth. The correct answer is option D. Both salinity and density of sea decrease with depth. Question number 10. Why does man weigh more at the poles than at the equator? Option A. Because gravitational pull is less at the poles. Option B. because there is no atmosphere at the poles. Option C, because gravitational pull is more at the poles. Option D, none of them. The correct answer is option C, because gravitational pull is more at the poles. Question number 11. Rickets is caused due to the deficiency of which of the following vitamins? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin D. Option D, low intake of proteins. The correct answer is option C, vitamin D. Question number 12. What is done to raise the dough while making bread? Option A, air is passed. Option B, alcohol is added. Option C, carbon dioxide is passed. Option D, yeast is added. The correct answer is option D, yeast is added. Question number 13. What is the function of a fuse wire? Option A, to stabilize the voltage. Option B, to prevent an unduly high electric current from passing through a circuit. Option C, to decrease the current supply. Option D, to increase the current supply. The correct answer is option B, to prevent an unduly high electric current from passing through a circuit. Question number 14. Which of the following should be avoided by the heart patients? Option A, proteins. Option B, fats. Option C, vitamins. Option D, carbohydrates. The correct answer is option B, fats. Question number 15. Why mothers feed the child with vitamin A? Option A, to prevent rickets. Option B, to prevent night blindness. Option C, to prevent polio. Option D, to prevent beriberi. The correct answer is option B, to prevent night blindness. Question number 16. In which of the following situations the identical twins are born? Option A, two sperms fertilize two ovums simultaneously. Option B, one sperm fertilizes the ovum and zygote divides into two separate cells developing independently. Option C, two sperms fertilize one ovum. Option D, one sperm fertilizes two ovums. The correct answer is option B, one sperm fertilizes the ovum and zygote divides into two separate cells developing independently. Question number 17. Why is it advisable not to draw current for many appliances from a single point? Option A, current and voltage both will increase. Option B, current will increase. Option C, voltage will decrease whereas current will increase. Option D, current will decrease. The correct answer is option C, voltage will decrease whereas current will increase. Question number 18. Conception generally takes place at which of the following times? Option A, before menses. Option B, menses. Option C, 2 weeks after menses. Option D, immediately after menses. The correct answer is option C, 2 weeks after menses. Question number 19. How dehydration helps in the preservation of food? Option A, growth of microorganism is checked. Option B, surface of foodstuffs becomes hard. Option C, chemical reactions stop in the absence of water. Option D, nutrients are concentrated. The correct answer is option A. Growth of microorganism is checked. Question number 20. Which among the followings is more required by the growing children? Option A. Proteins. Option B. Carbohydrates. Option C. Vitamins. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option A. Proteins. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.